Hi, welcome to this video. To change your iPhone's display refresh rate between 60Hz and 120Hz, use the limit frame rate settings in your accessibility menu. Note this feature is only available in iPhone Pro models that support ProMotion 120Hz. Right? Standard iPhone models are locked at 60Hz. So, open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap accessibility, tap motion under the vision section, scroll to the bottom and find limit frame rate. Okay, and basically to set to 60Hz, turn the toggle on to restrict your screen's maximum frame rate. To set to 120Hz, turn the toggle off to allow your screen to run up to 120 frames per second. Right? So the difference between 60Hz and 120Hz is that 120Hz gives you faster, smoother scrolling, quicker touch response, and better animation fluidity. It uses slightly more battery power, right? And 60Hz, the ProMotion Limited, locks the screen to standard refresh rate, which can help slightly conserve battery life. So consider liking this video, subscribe it, really helps with the channel. Till next time.